Good morning, children. Today we will start our new work in an Artist Crash Color Shower book. For today's work, you have to take your drawing book. With that, you have to take a pencil and you have to take a oil pastels. Children, here you have to take a oil pastels. You should not take a crayons. Must ensure you have to take oil pastels. After taking all these things, you have to open page number 5. And first, must ensure you have to write down the date, children, here. At the top, you have to write down today's date first. After writing date, what you have to do? You have to take a black color sketch pen. Children, this is one extra you have to add. You have to take a black color sketch pen and you have to draw here whatever the dotted lines will be there. No, that one you have to trace with the black color sketch pen. Okay. Wherever they given the black dotted line, no, that and all you have to trace with the black color sketch pen. After tracing that, what you have to do? One more thing you have to do, you have to draw here one sleeping line with the black color sketch only. Anyhow, you are using black color sketch, no? That's why I am telling you have to draw here the sleeping line with the black color sketch. Then, first, what you have to do, you have to take a pastels, oil pastels. Then, here I will tell the color, just you have to observe that and you have to do that color. Okay, I will show how you have to do the color later. First, you have to take a dark blue color. You have to take a dark blue color and this mountain you have to do with the dark blue. Okay, whatever the background will be there, no, back of the elephant, whatever the background is there, that one you have to do with the dark blue. Then, you have to take a light green and a dark green color. You have to take a light green and a dark green color. For the tree, you have to do with the light green and a dark green. Children, in the picture they given where you should use the dark green color and where you should use the light green color. Here they given, you have to see that and you have to do the same color. Next, after that, you have to take a brown color. You have to take a brown color and tree, this part you have to do with the brown. With that, you have to do this, whatever the chair they given. Maybe it's a chair or maybe it's a wall, whatever it will be. This one also you have to do with the brown. Dark green and brown color, what you have to do? You have to take a red color. Children, in the flower they given the pink color, but we don't have pink color in our whatever the pastels box will be there, no, in that. So you have to use the red color. Because if I mix and do the color, someone will ask that, ma'am, I don't have that color, ma'am, I don't have this color. For that reason, I am giving a for all red color for the flower. Wherever they given the flower, you have to do that full with the red. Then, after that, once again, you have to take a light green and a dark green color. Okay, this leaves you have to do with the dark green. And this bush you have to do with the light green. Okay, children, the same thing you have to do this side also. Here light green and the leaf you have to do with the dark green. After that, once again you have to take a light green. Is here background you have to do with the light green. Here this portion you have to do with the dark green. Okay, children, you have to observe the picture. Whatever the coloring work they given, no, that one you have to observe. According to that, you have to do. After this and all you finish, you have to take a yellow color. After wherever I said na light green and a dark green, that and all after over, at the last, you have to take a yellow color. Here they given the shade. With the yellow color, they given the shade. In all the place, they given yellow color shade. That one you have to do. I will show that one how you have to do. Just you have to see that. Okay. Next, you have to go to the elephant. To do the elephant, children, here they given the pink color as well as the grey color. In whatever the oil pastel box is there, no, in that they did not given the grey color. Okay, for that reason, what you have to do? First, you have to take a white color. Okay, first you have to take a white color and you have to do white color for full elephant. What you have to do? You have to do white color for full elephant. Then you have to take a black color. Only near the outlines you have to do the black color. Then you have to merge the color. Merge the means you have to mix the color. How you should mix the color, I will say now. Okay. White plus black. Okay. And this ear and the tongue you have to do with the red. Okay, this one I will show how you have to do. Okay, children. Now, after doing all this color, here at the background, you have to do the color. For that, you have to use the light blue crayon. Only this one you have to use the light blue crayon. Only for the background. Okay, children. Next. Now I will show how to do the tree. You have to observe that. See, children. For the tree, first what you have to do, you have to take a brown color. However, we will do the color now with the crayon. Same like that. You have to see the picture, whatever picture they given at the top. Okay, according to that, you have to do color. Next, here, first you have to take a dark green color. This down portion you have to do with the dark green. Somewhere you mix the dark green, children. Next, you should take a light green. Like this you should do. Then in the last class I shown how you have to mix the color. See, children. You should mix the color like this. Okay. Then whatever they given in the book, no, the same thing you will get. Okay. In the near the grass, what you have to do here? What are the colors I given? Light green I given. No, you have to take a light green and a yellow. Okay. Just do the light green like this. Next, do yellow. Then mix that. Like this you should do. Okay, children. Now I will show how you should do the elephant. For the elephant, first I said you have to do the white color, no? You have to do neatly white color. Full elephant you should do with the white first. Next, after doing white, what you have to do? You have to take a red color. Then mix the color, that one. See, children, how it will mix with the white. That time you will get whatever color they given, no, pink, that one you will get there. Okay. After that, now you have to do the gray color for the elephant, no? Anyway, we did the white here already. So lightly you should do the black color like this. Lightly, children. This also should start to do the spread the color, black color in all the space. If you did dark means it will looks like a black. So you have to do lightly. Then you will get a gray color. Okay, children. Like this you have to do. Is it clear, children? And one more thing, children. Must and should you have to use the pastels, and you have to write down the date. Then while doing your work, if you have any doubt, you should call and you should clarify the doubt, children. Okay. And one more thing, here I said you have to use the yellow color. How you should use the yellow color, that also I shown here. You have to observe that. According to that, you should do the color, children. Okay. Thank you.